All right, in this video, we're going to be looking at the best affiliate marketing programs for credit repair, that you can tap into and start earning some affiliate commissions with some of these programs that I'm about to share with you. Now, I want you to understand that there are a lot of, credit repair affiliate programs out there that you can join and earn commissions off of, but how many of them actually pay you recurring commissions, which is what you want to tap into. Now, it's good to get those one-time commission because something is better than nothing, but if you can earn recurring commissions, off of the people that you actually introduce to your credit repair affiliate program, how much more would that benefit you and your family if you could do that instead of relying on one-time sales? Because if you're doing one-time sales, that simply means you have to keep hustling day after day in order to keep those sales coming in. But if you have people that are actually paying you recurring income commission, plus, if they join the affiliate program themselves, now you're earning commissions off of their efforts as well. I think you would rather earn recurring commission than, just one-time sale. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to actually look at some of the affiliate program that you can, tap into or join if you want to get into the credit repair business or affiliate program, affiliate opportunities. I'm going to show you some of the information that I've found and how you can actually, tap into them and get started right now. So these are the 13 best credit repair affiliate programs to maximize earnings in 2024, according to Up Promote. I just found this website. You can go Google it for yourself and look at it for yourself and see, what it is that they are talking about. But I'm just showing you some of the things that I've found, while doing a little research on some credit repair affiliate programs. So let's go ahead on and get started. The first one we're going to look at, My FICA. Now, this is one of the leading, credit repair programs that you can get into. And it's a health management solution business. So I'm not going to get too deep in what they actually do, but I'm just going to show you, what you can earn as far as commissions are concerned with each affiliate program on this page. And then I'm going to show you how you can earn recurring affiliate commission with the program that I'm going to share with you. So stick around to the end of this video so you can see the one that I recommend that you should join if you want recurring commission. But if you want one-time commission, then hey, check out some of these right here. So My FICA, if we come down here, you see the commission rate of a $5 flat fee per sale, a one bureau product, also a $10 fee on each sale of the 3 bureau product, and a $100 flat fee on each annual 3 bureau product sales. Cookies duration is 30 days. Direct deposit, mail by check, Pioneer. Eligible requirement, have to fill out an application. Now, what I suggest that you do is click on this blue button right here and go see what other requirements are required of you in order to earn that, commission with these affiliate programs that I'm sharing with you right now. So that's what you earn right there with My FICA. Credit Saint. The commission is $100 per conversion. Cookie duration 90 days. Payment details, check, direct deposit, Pioneer. Eligible requirement, once again, fill out the application. Lexington Law. This is another one of those big, credit repair companies out there. They pay $65 per order. 30-day, CJ affiliate, 365-day for eternal progression program. Payment details, check, deposit, Pioneer, fill out an application. So if you notice something about most of these programs, and I want to explain this to you before we go on, is that you're earning a flat fee, a one-time fee, but none of these companies are paying you residual income, which means the person that you introduce to this affiliate, to this particular, company to repair their credit, they are going to be paying, residual payments to the company, but you're only getting a one-time fee. Whereas if you had a company that was, where you was earning recurring income, as long as that person stays in it, now you're earning residual income, recurring income month after month, as long as that person remains in here. And so with these companies that I'm sharing with you right now, you're only going to earn a one-time commission. So let's look at Smart Credit. Smart Credit doesn't give us any information, just fill out an application. Experian, $6 to $30 per order, 10-day cookie duration 10 days, payment details monthly, fill out an application. National Debt Relief, let's look at them. Commission rate $27.50 for every qualified lead, or 12% commission monthly. Now this one is a residual income, 12% monthly of your referral. 60 days, direct deposit, mail by check, Pioneer. Fill out the application and with the information required. As I said before, you want to actually click on this blue button, okay, and go and check out the affiliate program for yourself and see what other requirements are required of you in order to get this. So this one does pay some residual income. So that means that if you introduce someone to this particular National Debt Relief, then you will earn residual income off of them as well. Credit Fix Guy. Okay, commission rate 25%, cookie duration 30 days. You see the information there. We look at Credit Firm, $20, 180 days, direct deposit. Reliant Credit Repair, $40. This is per sale. Once again, no residual income. Identity Q, $35 per sale. The Credit Pros, we go down here, $120 per sale. Now, like I said, these are some great income. I mean, one time, but what about the residual? Would you rather earn one-time sales, which are better, that's better than nothing, or would you have recurring coming in month after month after month that that if you walk away for a little while and you decide you want to take a 2-week vacation, whatever the case, that money is still coming in month after month after month, as long as that person remains inside, and using the services. Credit People, $100 to $180 per sale. That's sweet. I like that. That's real good. That's a nice commission to earn. But remember, it's only one time. But one time is better than nothing. Dispute B, 35% per sale. Okay, so you see the majority of these affiliate programs for credit repair or getting out of debt, they are one time, which means your content, you have to constantly be, doing content. And that's the same with recurring income as well. You need to be creating content in order to get people to come in, and join you or use your services as an affiliate for that particular program. But I would much rather have recurring income, okay, where people are, I'm getting that monthly residual income instead of getting a one-time sale, okay, and then I have to go out and just keep hustling to keep getting those one-time sales. So you have to really think about how you want to do it. Now, these affiliate programs, you can, do like this website here, put them all on one page or one website and promote it. Promote your website and let the people pick and choose what they want to do. That's totally up to you. You have that option as well. But it still boils down to, do you want residual income, recurring income, unlimited recurring income, or do you just want the one-time sale? So that's totally up to you. So now let's take a look at the credit repair affiliate program that I recommend that you get into, that if you want to earn recurring income, this is my number one recommendation. So let's have a look at that right now. So my number one recommendation is that you join the Funnel Team. Now, the Funnel Team promotes a company called My Econ, which has been in business for 19 years, debt-free company based out of Atlanta, Georgia. And what they do is they specialize in financial services that you can do yourself, okay, or that the person that you introduce to My Econ can do themselves in order to get their finances together. We have what is called a My Credit system, okay? And right now people can join for $9.95. You can come in for $9.95 if you want to repair your own credit. So what you earn with this company is $15, $35, or $70. That's instant commissions that's paid every Friday. That means if you bring someone in this week, then the next week you will be getting paid, and it's paid direct deposit to you directly into your bank account. We have weekly overrides as your team grows between $1 to $13 that pays down to infinity, and plus you can earn residual incomes as well inside with my Econ affiliate program. But with my Econ, there are other trainings and tools that your people can get access to that's going to help them eliminate their debt, save money on their taxes, fix their own credit, take vacations, save on vacation, and a whole bunch of other stuff that they can get access to. And I will create another video showing that to you. But this is what you can earn with my Econ. $15, $35, $70 instant commissions. Those are one-time sales, but you get to earn weekly overrides as well as residual income inside of my Econ. Now you have a decision to make. Do you want to earn one-time sales, or do you want to earn one-time sales plus residual income that's going to continue to pay you month after month after month? Personally, for me, I choose the one-time commission and the residual income that comes inside of my Econ. Not because you're building your own economy. You want something that's going to pay you, and not only that, if the person that you introduce to this credit repair or this credit system inside of my Econ, if they decide they love it and they want to make money as well and become an affiliate, now you have them working for you as well, earning you more commissions from the people that they bring in. That's the power of residual income, knowing that you can go on vacation and people are still bringing in people on your team, and you're still earning commissions. When you come back in, you can bring in more people. This is it, bring in as many people as you want. That's totally up to you. But you help your team get more people as well. And as they bring in more people, you're earning more and more residual income. So as I said before, the decision is yours. One-time sales or one-time sales with residual income and income you can earn on your team effort. That decision is up to you. Personally, for me, once again, I choose one-time sales to get paid every Friday and earn residual income, recurring income month after month after month. This, my Econ, is the best, credit affiliate program, credit repair affiliate program that you can get into going into 2025. You can join right now by clicking the link in the description. If you have any questions, my contact information will be below and somewhere around this video. Reach out to me. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.